going on, people? Dalton Wildwood Adventures, poolside sessions. In this episode, I'm going to attempt to get on this floaty right here. As you can see, it's nice and big, but it's challenging. So bear with me as I attempt to balance and get on this floaty here. On the other side here. All right, I'm cool with my sunglasses and everything. So, all right, come up on the step here. So this is gonna be tricky because I gotta hold the camera with one hand. Wait a minute, wait, am I doing it? Yes, first attempt. Phew. All right, folks, you are witnessing a athletic maneuver to end all athletic maneuvers. All right, it's about 90 degrees out here in Southern California, suburbs of Los Angeles, the pride of the foothills of G-Town. Dalton Wildwood Adventures. Peace out.